Is summer the best time to renovate your home? I am so glad you're watching. For those who don't know me, I'm Lori Click with Remax Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 reasons why summer is the best time to renovate your home. Reason number 1, better weather conditions. Summer is a great time to undertake home renovation. The weather is usually more conducive to outdoor work. Reason number 2, increased resale value. If you're renovating your home to sell, summer is the best time to sell. Homes tend to sell faster and for a better price. Reason number 3, more natural light. Summer provides more natural light and for a longer period of time. This can be very helpful if you're working on a project that requires good lighting. Natural light can result in seeing better, more accurate measurements and cuts. The longer days and beautiful weather help you in so many ways to sell your home. If you have any questions, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your new home is only a click away.